We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 7. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. It's just getting open. Then we have to click on enable editing. Now we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp19 Word Chapter 7 Who Assessment Event. We just increase the size and change its color. And here's project description. So we have to change its color, okay? So in today's video, we will discuss Exp19 Word Chapter 7 Who Assessment Events. We will solve this assignment step by step, but before going to solve this assignment, let me move to your whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment, we have 17 questions. So we have 17 questions in today's assignment. So let me start today's assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. So first we will read a description. Exploring for Office 365 2019 edition, Chapter 7 Hands-on Exercise Assessment Project. That was just simply description about project. Now moving to grade report. Steps to perform instructions. So start Word, then download and open the file name. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. So we have to open our solution file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then change this, make this zoom. So first question is done. Now we are moving toward the next part. Assign a bookmark to field so that field can be referred to in a calculation. So click in a first cell on a third row of the table under atom slash type. Atom slash type. We have to click there. Then we have to insert a legacy text from field. Legacy text from field. Click on developer and here is a legacy text from field. Then we have to insert a legacy text from field in first blank under quality. Under quality here we have to again insert a legacy form, this one, and then assign. We have to assign a type, a number, format this one, and bookmark this one to field enter in quality column. So we have to work on this one and we have to type number. Okay, and then assign type number, a format. Here is a format and we have to select this one. Then and bookmark quality 1. Now we have to in bookmark we have to write quality 1. in, and then ensure that field calculate on exit. Field calculate on exit. Simply press OK and we get a result. Okay, then, and there is some hint, use control group on developer tab to insert a legacy field and assign properties. Yes, we have done. So question number 2 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. In question number 2, we have to assign a bookmark to field so that field can be referred to in calculation. So click in first cell on third row of the table under item type, insert a legacy text from field. Also insert a legacy text from field in first blank cell under quality. Then assign a type of number, a format of this one, and bookmark quality 1 to the field. Just enter in quality column. Ensure that the field calculate on exit. Okay, so question number 2 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 3. Insert a legacy text from field in first blank cell under cost unit. Under cost unit, here we have to in a legacy text field from. Then what we have to assign? We have to assign a type of a number and format this one, and bookmark cost 1. So we have to click on properties. There we have to select a number and a number format this one. Then bookmark is cost 1. Cost 1. Ensure that control calculates on exit. Okay, so question number 3 is done and we earn 3 marks from there. So in question number 3 we have to insert a legacy text from field in first blank cell under cost unit, then assign a type number, a format of we just in that format, then bookmark of cost of 1. Ensure that control calculates on exit. So question number 3 is done. We are moving toward question number 4. Insert a legacy text from field in first blank cell under total. Under total, here we have to assign again legacy text field. Then assign a type of calculation. Okay, we have to a type of calculation. So click on properties. In type we have to write calculation. Then in expression, what we have to write? We have to write quality 1 cost 1. Quality 1 multiplied by cost 1. Then in number format we have to use this one. Then ensure that control calculates on exit. Then simply press OK. Done. So question number 4 is done and we got 3 marks from there. So in question number 4 we have to insert a legacy text from field in first blank cell under total, then assign a type of calculation and expression of quality 1 multiplied by cost 1 and format that is given we have in, then ensure that control calculates on exit. So question number 4 is done and we earn 3 marks from there. Now we just check is it working or not. We just in 5 there, 4 and 4. Okay, but here we have to in something that's then that will work. Okay, so it's working 100%. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, and now we are moving toward question number 5. we have to complete the next row of the flood item inserting the same type field format selection including legacy text form. Okay, then but changing a bookmark and expression number calculation field as follows. So we have to move to there. Here in quality we have to use quality 2. So here we have to in this one, then properties, and here we have to use a number. The number format must be this one, and here we have to use quality 2, calculate exit. Then in cost and unit we have to use cost 2. So again we have to use this one, and then properties, and here we use number, and here in a number we have to use this one, and then here we just use what cost 2. Here we use here we use cost 2, ensure this one, then simply press OK. Then in total what we have to do, we have to multiply quarter to 2 multiply cost 2 here. Okay, so again on this one, then properties, so here we use calculation, and in calculation we write this one multiply by this one, and here in number format we use this one, simply press OK. So question number 5 is done, and we have earned 11 marks from there. So in question number 5 we have to complete a next row of flood item inserting the same field format. Okay, and then what we have to do, then we just use these one there. Okay, so we have earned 11 marks from there. So question number 5 is done, and now we are moving toward question number 6. We have to insert the same type content control in next two rows, increment the bookmark and expression by one each row. Okay, now we have to in there also, here we have to write this one, then we use this one, then there we have to use this one, properties. In properties we use a number, and then number format we have to use this one, and then here we use quality 3, calculate and exit. Okay, then here we have to in this one again properties, and here we use a number, and in number format we have to use this one, and there we have to write cost 3, this one, then this one, and here properties. Now we use calculations, and in calculation we write this one multiply by this one. Number format we have to use this one, and then this, simply press OK. Then for next one again we have to use the same method. Here we use this one and write number, quality 4. Okay, then again here we have to in this one, then properties, here we have to use a number, here we have to use a format, and here we used cost for this one. Then here we have to use this one, properties, use calculation now, and calculation we write this one multiply by this one, then in number format we have to use this one, then this, simply press OK. Done. So question number 6 is done, and we have earned 11 marks from there. So in question number 6 we have to insert the same type content control in next two rows, incrementing the bookmark and expression by 1 for each row, and we have earned 11 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 7. The first merchandise items quality control should include bookmark this one quality field, a bookmark cost 5 for cost unit field, and an expression this one for total field. Continue the pattern for remaining row including door prices section, making sure also include field in items columns. Do not make any entries on a subtotal row, and complete each row before proceeding the next. All field with exception of atoms slash type should calculate on exit and should be formulated or those in the fourth section of the table. So in this way we will earn 21 marks from this question. Same way we will solve other parts. You may see we have just 14 question, I think so. We have 16 question in grade report. Out of 15 question, we have done first 78 question. Mean almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. In today's video, we have discussed Exp19 Award Chapter 7 Who Assessment Event. Instead, we just discussed project description. Then we move toward grade report and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2. Then we have solved question number 3, 4. Then we have solved question number 5, that in which we just got 11 marks. Then we have solved question number 6. It's also have 11 marks. Then we solved question number 7, in which we have 21 marks. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete a solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. The price will be reasonable and result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I'm also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project, Sage 50 project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me, you may simply text me. I'm available, I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed Exp19 Word Chapter 7 Who Assessment Event. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.